When you're talking about appraisals, you need to think about two things. Is it an appraisal that you're referring to or an estimate of value? Two are completely different. So an appraisal is paid for and typically is mandatory in a sale, and it's contingent in a sale. So an appraisal is done by a professional appraiser, licensed appraiser. And an estimate of value is typically done by a real estate agent or broker, and it is not they're not licensed, and but they can be more valuable than an appraisal. So let me explain that. An appraisal is not for you. So a lot of buyers often wait anxiously for the appraisal to come in, thinking that appraiser is going to tell them what the value of the property is that they're buying. It's not true. The purpose of the appraisal in a purchase is for the bank only. It's to ensure the bank that you're not paying too much for the property. So let's say, for instance, you get a property, $100,000, you get a great deal. Well, that appraisal is going to come in at the contract price. So you won't see, let's say you get it for 500 and you think it's worth 6. It won't come in at 6, it'll come in at 5, contract price. So it's not a true valuation of the property. Now, an estimate of value, if done by a really good, knowledgeable, qualified agent or broker, they've usually seen tens of thousands of houses similar to that property. And they can tell you because of not only data, but also they can tell you anecdotally why that neighborhood is better than others, why the schools are better than others, what are the crime rates like. So a lot goes into an estimate of value, and the great agents out there, and there's a lot of them, they can give you a better valuation of what the property is worth.